Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be writing a Python program to find and simple interest by using user-defined function. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I will be opening a Python interpreter. So here in this particular video I am writing a program to find simple interest by using user-defined function. I will create a new file. The shortcut key is Ctrl N, as you know, right? So just I will take here and adjust the size of the script mode file, and here I will write the program name. First I will write the program name hash Python program to find simple interest by using user-defined function. Press enter. Then I will write the definition of the function. First I will write the comment has defined function definition of simple interest. Function definition of simple interest. Okay. Then I will start with the syntax of a function, that is an user-defined function. As you know, it starts with div space. Function name I will write as simple int, that is an simple interest. Then after that, open the bracket. Since I am not passing any value, close the bracket, or even you can do the white space and then close the bracket. Then afterwards you have to write colon. Then afterwards in the next line it starts with the body of the function, and you can observe the indentation space. Okay, and you have to write each of the statement inside the body of the function with the same position. Okay, so first I will read the p value, that is a principal amount. P equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes I will write enter principal amount space double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. Okay, then afterwards press enter. Time t equal to, I will write float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes enter time period space double quotes close, bracket close and bracket close. Next I will write the another one statement for the purpose of reading rate of interest r equal to float, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, within a double quotes enter rate of interest. After that space double quotes close, bracket close, bracket close. So these three statements are the input statements which will be reading three values, and those will be assigned to the variable ptr. Then I will write the formula si equal to, within a bracket, p into t into r. So into symbol is the hash trick. Close the bracket, divided by 100, press enter. So here I will display the simple interest value. Print, open the bracket, within a double quotes, simple space interest is equal to double quotes close comma si. So si will be having that value. Okay, after that press enter, press the backspace, press the enter. So this is the definition of a simple interest function. Then I will write a comment calling the simple interest function. Okay, press enter, listen comment, press the backspace. Now I'll call that function by writing simple int, which is the name of the function, since we are not passing any value, open bracket, close bracket. So after that, save the program, Control S. I will write simple FEN, it means a simple interest by using a function. Press enter key. The program has been saved. How this particular program will be executed means, so this is an comment which will be ignored, this is an comment which will be ignored, this is the function definition, this is not executed, so it will come here, this one, that is comment which is ignored, then it will execute this one, simple int, that means it will invoke this function, it will start executing this one. So first it will execute this statement, and this statement, then afterwards it will execute this statement where it calculates the value and it is stored in a variable si, then it displays the result. So I'll press F5, we give the value, for example 5000 is the principal amount, press enter, time period 5 I'll give, press enter, rate of interest I'll give as 10. So 5000 into 5 into 10 divided by 100, the result is 2500. So how this is executed? So first when it will execute this one, that means it makes a call to this one. So first it will execute this statement, that means it will display enter principal amount, have given 5000. So this is assigned to variable P. Then it executes this particular statement, that means it will display enter time period, have given the value as 5. It is assigned to the variable T. Then it will be executing this statement, enter rate of interest is displayed, I have given the value is 10, that is assigned to R. Then it executes this statement, SI equal to P into T into R divided by 100, that is 5000 into 5 into 10 divided by 100. So this one 5000 into 5, it will be 25,000 into 10. Okay, so divided by 100. So in 25,000 two zeros and in 100 two zeros will be cancelled. So 25 0, that is 250 into 10 will be 2500, and that is assigned to the variable SI. Then afterwards we have done this statement. So this statement is executed, that means it will display simple interest equal to this one, simple interest equal to, then the value which has stored in SI, that means which has been assigned, which is calculated, and that value is 2500. So it will display 2500.0. Since we have taken the data type as float, it is displaying dot, that is in terms of decimal numbers. Okay, so this is an Python program to find simple interest by using user-defined function. So this is an user-defined function. Okay, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, share the video link with your friends and family members, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.